What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we are installing some horns on Eric's WRX. He got some white Hella horns. So I'm really out of content right now because I don't have anything else I can do to my car. So we're just gonna document the little things that we're doing. I got my car in the Halloween spirit. I got teeth on here, and I got a little spooker up here. Even put one up on my mom's car too. So here's a before picture of that huge horn in there. You got stickers. The best part.
I gotta try and shave real quick.
Stop it. Give it some help.
Now you gotta pop it. Man. Ooh. Wow. Okay, we got the horns. We have our one tool for removing the grill. Dikes. We got zip ties. So that'll make it easy. We're gonna go ahead and pull the grill off, and then we're gonna assess what we have to do to get those to work on there. That was easy.
Freshly painted quick release grill.
So here's his, oh geez, that zoomed in. Here's his crusty old horns. Those two. I think I'm gonna try to use this mount for the second one instead of hiding it back here. But.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind.
Authentic Japanese car. Outloading, that says. Alright, we have to run to Riley's. I need to get butt connectors because I don't have any. There's what we need. You got some. Okay, so I got this one mounted up. We're gonna go off of these little holes right here that are already in the front brace, whatever you call it. Eric's working on the big horsepower gains over here. Oh, yep, perfect. So I got the wiring. I gotta set the wiring up, but I wanted to make sure that I was gonna have enough wire from there to run it to the ground. I'm probably just gonna ground it out to this bolt, and I'll meet the other one up on the ground. So, our house might burn down. That's a lot of smoke right there. And we're just gonna keep working. We're too used to it in California. Alright, so both of them are hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and test them out, see what they sound like. You ready?
Oh my god! Now it's like a train. That other one sounds completely different.
That's fucking loud, dude. That's loud. Okay, so, oh Jesus. Little update. I got them all, they're all in, the horns are in. Eric, shine the light on it. There. They're all in there. We don't have any power, so they turned our power off. But the fire's out. We fixed that light. We fixed his little running lights here. Actually, let me turn these on. Let's figure out how you turn your foggies on. Oh. So we fixed that fog light. The person that owned it before him the light bulb didn't fit right in it, so he decided to put electrical tape all the way around the light bulb. So every time Eric turned it on, it started smoking really bad, scared him. Took all that off, and we melted the rest of the shit off of it. It works fine. And we fixed the little blue lights on the side, both sides. Next, we're gonna do his camber. We're gonna try to fix this because this side is fully maxed on camber, and this side is not. So I'm gonna try to fix that, see if it fixes his turning issue. But really just buttoning up a lot of small things on the car from the previous owner. The other day we installed his blow-off valve, and what else did we put on the other day? I thought we did something else. Oh, we fixed his starter. We fixed your starter that was broken because the top bolt snapped off into the block.
Did you make a video of that?
No, I didn't do a video on that. So the previous owner of this car was actually a certified painter. He did a really great job on painting this car. Excellent. Wow. It leaks too. It has a puddle from leaking out the water when you wash his car. Oh, it's coming out right here. Right at the bottom, there's a little pinhole. Wow. Alright, so that is going to wrap up this week's video. We ended up losing power. We got everything installed and done though, so it's all good. The horns are super loud. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you did like it, and I'll catch you guys in next week's video.